folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel Divyansh here, and in this video we'll be learning about the traversals, different traversals, what are the different traversals in binary tree, and also we'll be talking about, basically we'll be learning how to code in order traversal. Okay, so yes, so this is an example of, this is basically a tree data structure, non-linear data structure of non-linear data structure which is tree. Okay, so this is a binary tree. So binary tree basically means each node will have at most only two child. Okay, it can have 0 or 2 child. Okay, so this is a binary tree. As you can have a look over here, this particular node has 2 childs, 8 and 6, and this node has 0 child. Okay, so a binary tree cannot have 1 child or more than 2 child. Okay, it can have 0 or 2 childs. Okay, so this is a binary tree, and we'll be looking how we can traverse a binary tree. So there are some approaches in which you can basically traverse your binary tree. So we'll be talking about 3 approaches over here: pre-order, okay, pre-order, post-order, and in-order. Okay, so before that, if you have any question regarding what does this traversal mean, traversal basically means visiting each of the nodes, okay, each of the nodes and printing the value of them. Okay, so like traversing this tree means basically I am going to 15 and then I am printing 15, and I am going to 3, then I am printing 3. Same I am doing for all the nodes of the tree. Okay, so this is the process of traversal. Okay, so we can do this by following three traversal techniques, which is a pre-order technique, post-order technique, and in-order technique. So what is this? Okay, so basically I would like to give you a concept, like always focus on, there are 3 things. Okay, first of all, see this, there is like left, right and node. Okay, left, right and node. So with context of this particular node, the left is this, left child is this, left node or left child you can say of 3, this node is this, and the right child of this, and the node is this itself, right? Okay, so I want you to make it very clear that you have this left, right and node 3. Okay, you can say 3 pointers, you can say, okay, left, right and node. So left is basically, we are having left and right with context of node. Okay, so first of all mark what is node. Node is 3. Then what is the left? 8. What is the right? 6. Okay, so same you can do it for this. Same you can do it for 15. If 15 is your node, then 3 is your left and 4 is your right. Right? Okay, so same, these techniques basically, these techniques are defined in context of the node. Okay, so we are defining these 3 techniques in context of a node. So basically what I mean by context of a node is like what happens in a pre-order traversal. Okay, let me write over here. In pre-order what happens is a node comes pre. Okay, the word pre means before, so a node comes before, and then we have the left and the right. Okay, so in the post order traversal, post means after. Okay, so we have at the last, node at the last. Okay, like this. And the third one is in order traversal. In order traversal, it means everything is in order, so it's like left, node and then right. So you can have a look, these traversals are basically in context of this particular node. So if you want to remember this, you can simply remember the position of a node. Okay, in pre-order the node is at the start, at the beginning, or you can say at the start, and in post-order node is at the end, and in order it is in between, left and right. Okay, so these are some of the traversal techniques. So let's talk about the pre-order. Okay, I am erasing this as for now. Okay, let me erase this. Okay, yeah, so let's perform the traversal on this particular tree on basis of pre-order. Okay, we are traversing this particular tree, binary tree, on basis of pre-order traversal. Okay, so what does this pre-order mean? Okay. Yeah. So it means first node. Okay. Let's come to this. Always start from a root. Okay. This is the root, right? This is our root. So the node is this 15. Okay. So in pre-order we have node. So print the node. Okay. COM. I am printing 15. Okay. This 15. And then what it's saying left. Okay. Left. Come to the left of this node. What is it? It is 3. Okay. 3. Coming to 3. Again. Now this becomes my. Okay. Let me keep it at bottom. Yeah. So this becomes my root. Okay. This becomes my root. Or you can say node n. Okay. Now for this node we again will apply this node. Okay. Print the node 3 and then again come to the left of this. Okay. Again coming to the left of this we have 8. Now this becomes a node. Now what is the left of first print this node. Okay. 8 and then what is the left of this? Nothing. Okay. Then leave it. And then after this, after printing its node which is 8 and then going to the left of this which is a null, then we have to go to the right of this. Right of this is also null. Okay. So coming back to 3. Okay. Coming back to 3. So remember what we did. We printed the node of node 3, right? We printed the node 3 and then we went to the left of node 3, right? Which was 8. Now after completing node which is 3 and printing the left of this, what we have right. So coming to the right is right of 3 is 6. Okay. So 6. Now R6 becomes the node. Okay. Let me erase this. Now R6 becomes the node. So print the node first. Okay. So we have 6 over here. And after printing the node, what we have to do? We have to go to the left of this. So left is null. Okay. After going to the left of this node, what we have to do? We have to go to the right of this node. So right is also null. Okay. So return back. We will return back to 3. Okay. So for the 3, as we have seen, we have printed the node. We have visited the left side. We have visited the right side. Okay. All steps are completed. Then we'll move back to 15. Okay. For 15, you have seen we have printed the node 15 over here. Have a look over here. 15, and we have also visited the left side of this. Okay. So we have basically covered this entire subtree. Okay. We have covered this entire subtree. Now after covering the left side of 15, what we have to do? We have to visit the right side. Okay. So coming to this 4 right side. So now this is our node. Okay. Now 4 is our node. Okay. So for this 4, first print the node which is 4. Okay. And then visit the left side of 4 which is null. Okay. And then visit the right side of node 4 which is also null. Okay. So we won't be printing anything. Then let's return back to 15. Now for the 15 we have printed the nodes, we have printed the left and we have printed the right. Okay, that's it. So this is something known as a pre-order traversal of this binary tree. Okay, so yeah, let's have a look of the post-order traversal, how we can basically perform the post-order traversal on this tree. So let me erase all these. Okay, so this is a tree. Now we will be traversing this tree on basis of a post-order traversal. So in the post-order traversal we have node at the last. First we have left and then right and then node. Okay, let's start. From where we start? We start from root. Okay, so from this root, where we have to go? We have to go to the left first. Okay, so coming to the left of this 15 is 3. Now coming to the left of this, now this becomes our node. Okay. So at starting node was 15, root was our node. Okay, root was our node. Now, okay, again I am repeating. I started from 15, we will start from the root and then then this is our root. This is our node. Okay, for the starting this is our node. We have left of this, left of the node. Okay, coming to the left of the node which is 3. Now this becomes our node. Okay, now this becomes our node. For this again apply this formula. Okay, left, go to the left of this. Okay, now coming to the left of this is 8. Now this becomes our node. Okay, now this becomes our node. Again, now this after it becomes our node, then again go to the left of this. Do we have anything at the left? No. Then leave it. Okay, then what we have after the left of the node? We have the right of the node. Then come to the right of this. Do we have anything over here at the right? No. Okay, so Then after printing the right, after visiting the right, what we have? We have the node, okay? So we'll visit the node. Basically, we'll print the node, okay? So we have 8 over here. Okay. After printing left, right, and node of this 8, it will return back to 3. Now 3 becomes a node again, and for the 3, what we have done, we have visited the left, okay, which was this 8, okay. Now what we will be doing? We will be basically visiting the right side, okay, right side of 3, which is 6. Now the 6 becomes a node. When 6 becomes a node, we have to print the left side of this, which is null, okay, so we won't be printing anything. Now the right side of 6, which is also null. Now print the node, okay, which is 6, okay. So we have written it over here, 8 and 6. Now after printing the left, right, and node of this, it will again return back to 3. Now 3 again becomes a node. Now for 3, as we can see, we have visited the left, we have visited the right, and now we have to perform the node of this. Basically, we have to print this, okay? So we'll print 3, okay? Now after basically visiting the left, right, and node of this 3, it will return back to 15, okay? It will return back to 15. Now 15 again becomes the node. For this 15, apply this. We have visited the left side of this, right? Now what we have to do? We have to visit the right side of 15. So coming to the right side of this, okay, which is 4. Now 4 becomes a node, okay. Now 4 becomes a node. Now see, apply this for 4 as a node. Visit the left side of 4, which is null. We won't print anything. Visit the right side of 4, which is null. We won't be printing anything. Apply this and basically means print this 4, okay. After printing the 4, we have applied everything. It will again return back to 15. So now again 15 becomes our node. So for 15, we can see we have basically visited the left and the right, left side and the right side, and now we have to print the node of this, which will be 15 itself. Okay. So this is a post order traversal. Okay, post order, and this is a pre order. Okay. I hope you understood this pre order and post order. Now we have another type, which is in order traversal. So as we can have a look over here, in order traversal we have a node in the between. So we have left node and then right. Okay. So let's apply this. Again we'll start from the root 15. So root is our node for now. At the starting initially, our root is a node. Now apply this. Visit the left side of 15, coming to 3. Okay. Now 3 has become our node. Okay. Now 3 has become a node. Apply this for 3. Again visit the left side of 3. Okay, which is 8. Okay. Now 8 becomes our node. Okay, 8 becomes our node. Apply this for this particular node. Come to the left of 8, which is null. We won't be doing anything if the value is null. Okay, if the node is null. So visiting the left side is null. Okay, so we'll come to the node, means print node. Okay, which will be 8. And after printing that, it's saying visit the right side of this, which is also null. So what it will do? It will return back to 3. Now 3 becomes our node. Okay, now 3 becomes our node. So for 3, we can have a look. What we have done? We have visited the left side. Okay, we have visited the left side of 3. Now we have to basically print the node, which is 3. Okay, okay. So after printing the 3, what we have to do? We have to visit the right side of 3. Now visiting the right side of 3, 6. Now 6 becomes the node. Okay, apply this for 6. Visit the left side of 6, which is null. Okay, we won't be doing anything when the value is null. Now print the value of 6. Okay, node 6. And we now visit the right side of this 6, which is also null. Okay, so after doing all 3, after visiting all the three you can say steps, then it will come back to 3. Okay, it will again come back to 3. Now our 3 is our node. So for 3, you can have a look. We have visited the left side, we have printed the node 3 over here, and we have also visited the right side 6. Now after this will return to 15. Now our 15 becomes again a 15 becomes the node. So for the 15, see, we have basically visited the left side. Okay, for 15 we have visited the left side, and now we have to print the node of this. So we will print 15. Okay, after printing the 15, what we have to do? We have to visit the right side. Okay, coming to the right side of this, now this becomes a node. Okay, now this becomes a node. So according to this formula, we have to visit the left side. So left is null, we won't do anything and print the node. So print the node which is 4. And after that visit the right side. So we visit the right side which is null, we won't be printing anything. Again this, after doing all the 3 steps, it will again come back to 15, which is our root. Okay. So for 15 we have visited the left side, we have visited the node, basically printed the node value, and also we have visited the right side, which is the 4. Okay. So this is our in order traversal. You can have a look like basically the order, printing order has changed based on the pre-order, post-order and in order. Okay. So I hope you understood this, and yeah, if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and in the upcoming videos we'll be basically writing the code of each of these traversal techniques. Okay. Thank you.